Hey everybody, how y'all doing? My name is Jeremy Blackman. I'd like to welcome y'all back to the channel once again. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Soon you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you can get a notification every time I upload video with this Bible information. I'm coming back with another video. It's kind of going to be on the same topic as my last video because like I said, I only do videos according to the emails that the majority of you all send me. And all the emails is constantly on how I made all that money with PayPal. Y'all see my name, right? I can't let y'all see them people stuff, right? So, to this side. As soon as the camera focus, let's scroll it up. Scroll it up. Do y'all see that number? So, I'm gonna give y'all another source that I use to make that money with PayPal. Now, with everything that I show y'all, with everything that I teach y'all from now on, like I told y'all at the beginning, I will associate a training with this so y'all can get a better understanding of what y'all need to do with it. With anything that you do, look, it takes your ambition, it takes your drive, it takes your consistency, and it takes your motivation to make whatever it is that you're pursuing a success. Like me, for instance, like I'm always telling y'all, I just had a ton of vision for success. I just had this driving force, because like I told y'all, I didn't have no plan B, I didn't have no other options, I didn't have no scapegoat, needing somebody to step in and take over me. I didn't even have a roof over my head. Those were my driving force to be successful. Those made me go hard. It would make me work like I was a 100-man team when I was on a one-man army. This particular source right here, like in the beginning, everything I was doing was either free, or cost the minimum amount of money that I can invest in because I didn't have no money in the beginning to build my empire, right? And this was one of the sources I used. And this source will pay you directly to your PayPal account immediately. I'm talking about you don't gotta wait a day, you don't gotta wait a week, you don't gotta wait a month. As soon as you get a transaction coming through your specific source, then you will get your payment on the same day. This is a gold mine. You can also use this source to perfect your business and your other business ventures, especially if you're just not starting out with online marketing or trying to make money online. It got its own training system within the source to help you do anything that you want to do, even to help you promote the source, okay? Like everything I'm showing y'all when it comes to making this PayPal money, people, was stuff that I did. And I'm still using this source to this day. And it's cost effective. It's not going to put a dent in your pockets to make this happen. So if you're very curious about what this source is that helped me do what I did within PayPal, nearly $400,000 within PayPal by using these different type of sources and the different type of platforms to make this happen from a broke man perspective, all right? From a broke man point of view, all right? From a broke man foundation, I did this, and you can do this too. As long as you got that drive and you just follow the directions. They got directions within the source, or if you want the training that I use, click the link beneath the video inside the video description. Once you click the link, they're gonna ask for your email, because I need your email to be in contact with you. I'm not finna bombard you with all these email listening with all this crazy stuff. I don't do that. Everybody that know me, y'all know I don't do that. But I need your email for the particular reason to be in contact with you and to send you my specialized training as far as how I use to promote this source. The training is optional. Either you can pay the $8 to get the trainer or don't pay the $8 to get the trainer, right? That's all the training is, $8. I'm not trying to break y'all bank or nothing. You can literally begin, commission into your PayPal account 30 minutes after you to set this up, people. It's just as simple as that, right? So I don't want to put too much information within this video because I don't want that to be overcrowded and overflooded and everybody be flooding me trying to get the training information, then make what I'm doing and what you're going to be potentially doing oversaturated. We don't need no oversaturation. We don't need all that competition, people. Let's make it happen. I know you're very interested. I know you're curious. Curiosity eating at you. And yeah. So go click the link inside the video description, people. Let's make that happen. The only thing my job is to show y'all what I did. And hopefully you all, get your creative and hustling mentality and your entrepreneurship juice flowing so you can make this happen. All y'all deserve greatness. All y'all deserve the blessings. All y'all deserve financial stability, man. And it's here for you all to take. Start off with this if you want to, okay? See y'all in this video, man. Ha.